Not many people, but enough people are aware by now of what's been going on with the craft store Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has been embroiled in a legal fight against Obamacare's conception mandate since September. The evangelical owners first sued to deny their employees access to affordable contraceptives. A federal judge ruled last month that Hobby Lobby must follow the federal law and provide birth control coverage to its estimated 13,000 employees. And of course, they don't seem to want to do that. They declared their intention to actually break the law. Now, the company's owners announced they will break the law rather than provide the contraceptives. Rather than allow people to have contraceptives, they would rather break the law and be criminals. It's just astounding that they would actually choose criminal acts over allowing somebody to have frigging contraceptives. That just shows what kind of priorities that they have. Now, they are subject to penalties up to $1.3 million per day if the business does not comply with Obamacare. To avoid paying those fees, however, Hobby Lobby has announced it will attempt to shift the beginning of its employees' health plans. A representative for Hobby Lobby declined to elaborate on how long the company will have before its new plan year will start, when the federal mandate on emergency contraceptives coverage would kick in. Hobby Lobby does not provide coverage for abortion-inducing drugs in its healthcare plans. Corporate General Counsel Peter Dobauer said in statement, Hobby Lobby will continue to vigorously defend its religious liberty and oppose the mandate and any penalties, he said. However, despite what is seemingly a deliberate misinterpretation, the Obamacare's contraceptive mandate doesn't require Hobby Lobby to provide coverage for any of the abortion-inducing drugs. Meaning that's not what they're required to provide. What they are is just emergency contraceptives like the Plan B that prevent pregnancy, not cause abortion. So we can see they're just being a little bit dishonest here about what this is all about. They are lying what they're doing they're lying about what this is all about in order to make themselves out to be a victim. Oh, this is big government from the evil socialist, communist, Muslim Obama, coming in and telling us how we have to have our religion, and this is a violation of our religious rights, and this is all about religious freedom. But in reality, what this is a company just frigging unwilling to pay what it is lawfully required to pay for the health care of essentially what is a women's health problem. Now, this is what a lot of people have been saying, that this is all about religious freedom. No, this is not about crushing anybody's religious freedom. This is about the freedom of women to have the proper health care it is that they require. And of course, because it's all profit motive centric, the company is going to stand in its way and try to use religion as a cover. Now, they're fighting about moving the start date of the healthcare plan to avoid paying the penalties of up to $1.3 million a day. Now, of course, they're trying to save themselves some money from having to actually pay out the fines that they would have to pay for refusing to give the lawfully due healthcare coverage. They're crying freedom of religion, that this is an assault on their freedom of religion to practice their religion however they want, which is ridiculous because they can still continue to practice it however they want. As a business, which is not a religious entity and is, well, also not a person, they are violating the right of women to choose to have birth control in order to protect their own health. This is not about religious freedom, as many are dishonestly trying to portray this. This is about a woman's right to contraceptives, the right for a woman to choose not to be pregnant. And this just shows just even more about how corporations, profit-centric businesses, are interfering in the rights of actual people.
Smoke crack and worship Satan at Hobby Lobby!